How to get Netflix for free. If any day you are a Netflix user and you would like to use the Netflix for free because the very premium version is quite expensive, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the search icon and then search Netflix out there. After you search Netflix out there, you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to search Netflix plans and pricing. After you see the Netflix plans and pricing, you can see that the various kind of plans and pricing there. You can see that the very mobile version is like this, and you can see the various kind of premium version. In the mobile, it's $2.99 per month. For the basic, it's $3.99 per month. For the standard, it's $7.99 per month. And for the premium, it's $9.99 per month. You can see that it's quite expensive. So if you would like to use it for free, just follow the following steps. You have to go to the search icon and then search www.wavycoupons. And after you tap on www.wavycoupons, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the first option, that is Wavy Coupon Code 2024. Now after that, you can see an interface like this. Now here what you can do is you have to go and visit and go to the option to get the code. And after you tap on get the code, you can see the loading this, and you can just copy the code like this. And after that, you can go to the very option of redeem code on Netflix and tap on redeem code on Netflix. After you tap on the redeem code on Netflix, now you can see an interface where you can see the various kind of codes there. You just have to tap on the redeem your gift, and then you can just type on your code or the pin there like this, and then go to the option of the redeem there. After you go to the option of the redeem, now you can see that with the further steps you can use the very Netflix account very nicely. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.